Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Happy New Year. So in this video, I will be showing you a very cool opening trap against the modern defense. So if you are a 1e4 player or if you're playing the modern defense, this video will be particularly useful to you. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and get right to it. So here we are. So the modern defense arises when white plays the move 1e4 and black goes g6 and white goes d4. So this would be relevant even to a d4 player. Let's say they go 1 d4 and after g6 they want to go e4, which is possible. So after 1e4, g6, d4, bishop g7. Here, the two most common moves are knight c3, which is played to stop d5, and also knight f3. So some people prefer knight c3 and to go for 150 attack, like bishop e3, queen d2, f3, and castle long. Some other people prefer to go knight f3 and put a pawn on c3 to block down the bishop on g7 to reduce its power along this diagonal, and then play something like pawn to c3, and the bishop on f1 will go either to c4 or to d3. So both moves are perfectly playable, and the purpose of this video is not to explain which one is better or not. I mean, it's just a matter of personal taste. Well, if you play knight f3, then after the move d6, white can go bishop c4. That's a very good move. It develops a piece. And here, the best move for black is to go knight f6, where white usually goes queen e2. And here is where the main line starts of this variation. However, if black makes the mistake to go knight d7, then this is immediately punished by the move bishop takes f7. So here, if black takes, then knight g5 check follows, and if king f6, then queen f3 is a mate. While if king f8, then knight e6 picks up the queen. While if king e8, then knight e6 checkmates the queen. It traps the black queen. So black is completely lost, and apparently the best that black can do after the move bishop takes f7 is to go king f8. They are a pawn down, they've lost the right to castle, and they have an atrocious position. However, this is not as bad as losing their queen. So this is a cool opening trap that I have done myself from the white side. I played it once against a grandmaster in an online game. It was a bullet game, I think, a few years ago, and also in an over-the-board blitz tournament. And apparently, just to show you, this would work even after these moves are included. So after a6, because in that blitz game after bishop c4, my opponent played a6, wanting to go b5, and I went a4 to stop that. It's a typical move to go a4 just to stop a queenside expansion by black and to control the b5 square. So here my opponent played knight d7, and now I went for it, and I ended up winning his queen the exact same way. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and took value from it. If you are on the black side of the modern defense, you now know what not to do and why you should go knight f6 instead of knight d7 in that position. And if you're on the white side, I wish you to have many quick victories like that. And it's always good to be well prepared in the opening and to punish your opponents if they do not know the theory and if they play inferior moves, because if you've done your homework, that's also part of the game. Now, if you are a competitive chess player and you want to fund your chess progress, which can include traveling to tournaments, which has expenses like transport if you're going to another city, accommodation if it's not a one-day event, and entry fees. Also, you might be considering to hire a coach to invest into chess books and chess courses. Then you might be interested in starting a side hustle to earn an income online. This can be done along your 9-to-5 job. So if that interests you, you can go to the link in the description, insert your name and email, and watch my free introductory training where you will learn the 3 secrets my mentors use to generate a consistent income online and how you can do it too, even if you have no previous experience, qualifications, or no product to sell. If you're a subscriber, I will catch you at the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.